you to see it?
Yeah.
Our neighbor goes there. Aaron?
Okay.
Yeah, how do you like the new coach? He was your coach.
I like him. He's pretty chill.
He's a nice guy.
Woo! He is nice.
How do you like the practices now compared to what he used to? My son doesn't like how he practices.
They're not, they're not bad. We do a lot more running than I thought we were going to do, so I had to get, like, really well in shape.
That's what my son said. He was really disappointed. All he was running.
Well, it's 2 parts running, 1 part baseball.
Boa.
Don't talk about Bryson James.
Yeah, they didn't realize this stuff. I don't know what his deal is, but parents aren't allowed to email him because he gets mad.
Really?
Oh my God.
I mean, I've heard of, like rules where it's like a 24-hour rule, don't email if you're mad at how the game went. I've never heard of
My husband emailed him last summer to ask him a question. Oh, he was furious. Yeah, he was furious. Michigan Blue Jays. My girlfriend's son played for the Blue Jays. Well, he's older now.
Well, this is my first year.
I know she stayed down here, please. Out of the way. Excuse me. Okay, all right. Oh, awesome. My son is so he wants to go there so bad. He says it was great. Well,
Undergrad in the state after that, over. So, gotta get the undergrad in state. Gotta work my way across.
he just wants to be able to play baseball anywhere that will take him. So,
Gotta keep the dream alive.
well, yeah. Are you going to play baseball in college?
Not woke.
Be careful with the baby stuff, okay?
Stacy will do as well.
Light bulb.
Lights broke. What
Yes.
light? What light?
Oh, look. Yes. Light bulb. Yes. Light bulb.
Which light's broke?
Oh.
Lights broke?
Yes.
They'll get fixed.
Oh.
They'll get it fixed. No problem. Squirt that car.
There it's not.
That car. Give us a lot of extra soap.